visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. This is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang, no? Take what's only yours. And I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So whenever you see the video, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan natin ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. We have the Ace of Cups, the Six of Pentacles. Maganda siya dahil itong nakikita natin is parang kapwa kayo, nagkakagustuhan, no? It may be on the same level or it may be the same action, no? Yung ginagawa ninyong dalawa. Ang hindi ko lang gusto dito is kung may nagpapakipot din yung kabila. So it felt like a mirrored energy. Kaya tinawag itong mirrored energy, kinokopya, no? Nung isa yung ginagawa nung isa. Maganda sana kung all out, no? Kung pinagsisigawan nung isa na mahal kita, yun din yung ginagawa nung kabila. Ngayon yung isa, kung puro pabebe, nagpapabebe din yung kabila. It is a transaction. It is a banter of energy wherein walang sukle. Pero tama ang timbang, no? Kumbaga sa palengke, sapat, no? Kumbaga, tama ang retailed price doon sa produktong ibinibigay. Ayan. With the Ace of Cups, nakikita natin dito na somewhat, kung ganun naman ang nangyayari, di satisfied kayong dalawa. Di tapos na yung reading. Just kidding. Satisfied naman pala. Pero kasi nakikita natin dito or probably tinatanong mo sa sarili mo, eto ba yung totoong pagkatao niya? Or nagbabait-baitan lang itong si person because of, ayan, dahil nga ba, totoo bang nababaitan siya sa akin? Or totoo bang, ang ugali niya talaga is long-lasting or embedded na, no, sa kanya. So we have the Three of Pentacles. Ito yung pinag-iisipan mo ngayon. Baka mamaya, no, sabi mo, pag sinagot ko to, baka mamaya ay hanggang sa una lang. Baka biglang magbago. So, is it you that probably enjoying the moment while kaya ayaw mong sagutin din si person? Kasi parang tinetest mo pa? What I mean tinetest is pinupush mo yung limit siguro din ni person, no? Hanggang saan? You want to, kasi may mga ganong tao din eh. You want to see the breaking point, no, of your person. Hanggang saan siya mapipikon, no? Para at least, alam mo, pag pinasok mo yung relationship, or pag naging kayo, or nagkatuluyan man kayo, alam mo kung saan, hanggang saan ka, no? Bago ka mabira, yung gano'n. Parang, kung pasensyoso to, alam mo, may mga ganun tao talaga. Yung tinetest yung person nila bago nila ibigay yung matamis nilang oo or bago sila makipag-commit, no? At hindi yun maiiwasan. I feel like that is their way of protecting themselves, for choosing the right person, for loving the right person, for being, imagine mo makakasama mo yung tao habang buhay. So, gugustuhin mo ba na nagbubugbugan kayo, no, for the rest of your life? Or umiiyak ka for the rest of your life? Kaya merong mga ganong tao, tinetest nila. I don't wanna say that that is a wise um, tactic, but I also don't want to say that that is not, I mean, that is bad, no? Um, that depends, siguro, no? Kasi mahirap i-judge ang action ng isang tao, lalo na kung hindi mo napagdaanan yung pinagdaanan nila. Especially kung na-trauma, no, sa mga past relationships, maghihigpit talaga yan bago kumuha ng person na gustong lumapit sa kanila. Mataas na yung guards nila or mataas na yung standards nila, no? Hindi natin pwedeng i-judge yung mga ganun eh. With the 8 of Cups and the 10 of Cups. Oh, so you even change your perspective to this ex. Ex pala ito. Kasi it may be, nakilala mo na itong person na ito or bumabalik lang itong taong ito. That's why you're testing the person. So that makes sense kung naging kayo. Kung hindi naging kayo, pwedeng nakilala mo siya na hinto lang, no, itong connection ninyo and pinagpatuloy. Pero kasi ang nakikita natin dito, that makes sense. Tinaasan mo yung guards mo o yung walls mo. Kasi baka mamaya iwan ka uli nito, no? Kaya, that makes sense na tinetest mo. Okay? Yun, hindi ko pwede i-judge yun. No? Talagang, yun naman talaga din ang dapat. Because, babalik ka, para iwan ako uli. Kung gusto mong bumalik, you need to pass the exam, no? You need to pass the test. Diba, kung gusto mong makagraduate sa, Diyos ko, lahat ng tao dumating dyan. Or karamihan, no? Most of the population, nakapag-aral naman, no? Kahit sabihin natin elementary, bago ka makapag-high school, gagraduate ka sa elementary. So, parang ganito. With the 5 of Wands, yes, nag-away kayo and the Tower. And it seems like someone here probably, no, sinabi, naku, ito na yata ang pinaka malalang away namin. At feeling ko nga hindi na ito maibabalik. But here we are, no? Nangyayari uli yung mga nangyayari at look at it. Bumabalik ka. So, tama naman. Pinapakita naman ni person na your person is willing, your person is changing, your person is becoming wiser also like you do. Nagiging mature at mas lumalalim yung pag-ibig with the 10 of Cups. So the King of Cups is here and the 2 of Cups. So ngayon, hindi na lang basta salita si person. Actually, your person is not even gonna be very vocal about I love yous. Siguro, napagtanto din niya no, na saying I love you is not enough, especially sa'yo. Because I already did that from the past and it's not working. Kasi nakikita natin dito with the 2 of Cups, no? Dumating dito yung time na I am going to take action instead, no? Or probably I'm going to do both. Saying it and also doing something in action nga. With the 4 of Swords, the 2 of Swords, and the Knight of Swords. Wow. Itong action ni person, kasi I feel like, yes, tama naman, nagbabago naman. Pero kasi with the 2 of Swords, meron pa rin sablay eh. So I want to know kung yung Two of Swords na to represents, does your person gonna go back to the old ways or this is a mishap along the journey? What I'm trying to say here is wala naman talaga din perfect na tao. Makakagawa at makakagawa ka, no? Even you. Sinadya mo, hindi mo sinadya, makakagawa ka ng kasalanan kay person, no? I want to see if this is the old yung kasalanan, the old kasalanan, or it is something new na just happened, no? Kasi kung paulit-ulit yung kasalanan, I think there's something wrong. The Nine of Cups and the Magician, this is something new. Kung ano man yung mga kasalanan na gawa ni person from the past, I feel like sobrang may eliminate naman yun, no? This might be yung shallow, no? Pwede siguro yung nakalimutan isarado yung gripo, no, yung mga ganyan. Or nakalimutan takpan yung toothpaste, yung mga ganyan. So that may still be an imperfection that might trigger you. Pero yung mga ginawa niya, I feel like binago naman niya. So again, walang perfect na relationship, makakagawa pa rin siya ng kaiinit ng ulo mo. But I feel like that is okay, no? Yeah, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago yan, gusto ko pong sabihin sa inyo na kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Ayan, pagaling na tayo. At last, kung kayo merong mga katanungan or tanong ng inyong mga kaibigan na gusto nyo itanong sa akin, no? Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? Now, let's see the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart or pwedeng lumabas ang zodiac sign ninyo, no? Of course, nandun yung sun, moon, rising. I am seeing Gemini, Pisces, Taurus is here. Libra is here. Aquarius, Cancer. I'm seeing Scorpio, Virgo, Leo. Yun lang. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best.